Alright, so one of the reasons why you really need a teacher or a mentor kapag nag-aaral kayo mag-violin is that most of the things that you do or yung technique, when it comes to technique, is counterintuitive, okay? So, as humans, we have our instincts, diba? But when it comes to playing the violin, no, in general, a lot of the things that we do instinctually, like for example, yung hawak na lang ng bow, diba? Sabi, sanay tayo to grasp or grab, but that's not how you hold the bow. Kailangan very relaxed yung hawak natin. Halos di natin siya hawak, diba? That's just one thing. Another is, if we want to play loud, for example, hindi natin pwedeng diinan lang ng diinan kasi masasakal naman yung sound. So kailangan mas relax pa tayo. So a lot of the movements and techniques are not going to happen instinctually. So kung hahawakan mo lang yung violin mo, walang nagtuturo sa'yo, yung gagawin mo malamang mali. Kasi hindi yun yung dapat na gawin natin for it. Because hindi nga gumagana yung instinct sa kanya. Sobrang daming techniques that we see, try natin gawin, tapos hindi pala ganun, tumugtog ng mabilis, for example, diba? When you think you wanna go fast, akala natin dapat mas locked in tayo, mas tight yung movements natin, but in reality, kailangan mas maluwag para mag-open up yung sound, para makatakbo yung kamay mo, no? When it comes to bouncing the bow, for example, yan, diba? Yung ibang tao nahihirapan kasi when they play, nagbabounce kusa yung bow nila. Yung iba naman gustong ipa-bounce, no? For certain techniques, hindi rin nila magawa kasi pinipilit nilang gawin in the way they think and they feel na ganun gawin. Pero in reality, everything is so counterintuitive to the point na parang niloloko ba ako ng physics or something like that, diba? It feels wrong because again, your instinct doesn't work. Hindi siya magiging instinctual unless matagal ka na nagpe-play, no? Kasi iba rin ang case for kids starting. Iba yung magiging violin instincts nila because nasanay na sila mag-play. Pero as an adult, learning it on your own, relying on your instincts, won't get you too far kasi sobrang daming techniques sa basic pa lang, no? Tone production pa lang, even yung pressing, diba? Kasi nga, our hands are made to grab. But on the violin, you don't grab anything at all. Walang grabbing motion, walang squeezing motion. So lahat ng alam natin based on our experience won't really work unless someone guides you through it. Kasi ang dami mo makukuha. That's why people get so much bad habits of playing the instrument. Because our instincts nga doesn't work, no? Even yung manonood na lang ako. If you watch something and then without explanation try mong gayahin, mali yung magagawa mo. One common mistake a lot of beginners do because they saw and they tried to copy is bow strokes, no? So they always think na ang bow stroke ay ganito, ganyan yung movement ng arms or ng hands kasi it looks like that when we move from an angle, but in reality ganito yung movement niya. It's not like this na nababali yung wrist, so prone kasi injury kasi this is a little bit weak and then you're moving the wrong muscles kaya hindi gumaganda yung tunog. So yun yung mga common things. Of course, advanced techniques, lalo na yung vibrato, di ba? Hindi rin naman yan, ang instinct mo, nakita mo, umalog, alugin mo yung kamay mo, di ba? Hindi naman ganoon yan. So, sobrang dami mong maupulot na bad habits just because you don't have a teacher. And just because your instinct will fail you. Kasi nga, it's so counterintuitive. Matatawa ka na lang. Kahit ako minsan pag tinuturo ko yung mga bagay na yan, parang natatawa ako na oo nga, hindi nga talaga. Hindi talaga yung normal. It's not normal na movement. It's not a normal thing. That's why hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na sa experience tayo magre-rely, especially if you're not experienced at all with handling musical instruments. Kayo, may mga musical instruments din ba kayong alam na counterintuitive yung pinapagawa? Like, to get a certain effect or outcome, baliktad yung feeling or baliktad yung motions or movements. Yan. Comment kayo sa baba. And kung nakatulong to, alam niyo na, maghanap tayo ng teacher. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.